The quick update today, guys, just a little bit of a shorty. I've got all of the amendments laid in for the planter beds. I pretty much busted up the soil the best I can here. This is some compost, 3 bags of cow manure, and some other bone meal. I still have a little more of an area to working over here, but it's going to be raining overnight. I think we're going to get a little bit of rain, which is going to be great. It's going to help work this into the soil. I'm pretty much done this area over here. So this is where I'd like to put like the onions and carrots in here, because this would be like a maximum sunshine kind of planter box right here. I have to repair this hose. I got a little aggressive with the pick. There, I didn't put any chicken manure on because I got a little worried it might make the soil just a bit too hot, so I'll probably save that for summertime dressing as the season goes on. So yeah, there it is. I'm just continuing to work it in. So I hope you all are having a good Thursday, and I'll get around to start looking at the water lines probably next week or so. I know I do want to have run off to Vegas and maybe down to LA. So thanks for being here today, guys, and I will do updates. I may be live later tonight. I'm just not sure, but thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks, everybody.